Madam President.
The senator from New Hampshire.
Thank you, Madam President. I ask to speak for up to 5 minutes before the vote.
Without objection.
Thank you. I'm really pleased to join my colleague, Senator Hassan, to speak in support of Samantha Elliott's nomination to the Federal District Court for the District of New Hampshire. As we heard from Senator Hassan, Samantha Elliott has had an amazing public service career. Her professional experience and commitment to ensure equal access to justice make her eminently qualified to serve on the federal bench. She will make an excellent addition to the Federal District Court in New Hampshire. Now, Samantha actually came to the practice of law in a less traditional way. She started out first as a writer for magazines before she and her husband flipped a coin to see who would go to law school. After graduating from Columbia Law School, she obviously won the toss. She joined Gallagher, Callahan, and Gartrell, a law firm in Concord, our capital city. Since becoming an attorney, Samantha has litigated before federal and state courts, handling an impressive collection of matters that involve complex areas of law. She's also served in a variety of leadership positions at her firm, including serving as president for 5 years. During the selection process, Samantha always came back to the importance of equal access to justice, saying at one point, and I quote, "No one closes or opens doors to access to justice like a judge."
Please take your conversations off the floor.
Samantha knows firsthand through her extensive work with the New Hampshire legal aid community just how correct that saying is. For 9 years, she served on the joint board of New Hampshire Legal Assistance and the Legal Advice and Referral Center, and she's held various roles on its executive committee. Samantha's also spent more than 2.5 years on a special committee that met every other Monday to revisit the structure of legal aid in New Hampshire. Just think about that. Every other Monday for 2.5 years to better restructure legal aid in New Hampshire. These tireless efforts culminated in the creation of 603 Legal Aid, a new entity that will increase access to justice for New Hampshire's low-income residents. Samantha has consistently demonstrated her commitment to ensuring that everyone has access to justice, no matter what their socioeconomic status. And as a result of her commitment, her tenacity, and her respect for the law, Samantha's nomination has garnered widespread support throughout the New Hampshire legal community, including from Chuck Douglas, who is a former Republican representative to Congress and New Hampshire Supreme Court Justice. Now, he's only ever faced Samantha as an adversary in litigation, but he said, and I quote, "She's an excellent lawyer who is creative and diligent and exhibits the highest standards of our profession." In addition to former Justice Douglas, Samantha's nomination is supported by a diverse collection of attorneys and others in the New Hampshire legal community, including the New Hampshire Women's Bar Association, Judge Gary Hicks, who is a current Supreme Court Justice in New Hampshire, and George Moore, the Executive Director of the New Hampshire Bar Association, to name just a few of those who have weighed in with letters of support. And, Madam President, I would like to enter these letters of support into the record.
Without objection.
Thank you. I'm confident that Samantha's passion for the law and dedication to the impartial administration of justice will make her an excellent judge, and I urge my colleagues to support her nomination. I yield the floor.
Under the previous order, the question is on the nomination.